Good morning, class 9th. Today we are going to do exercise 13.2. In this exercise, we use two formulas: curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, where r is the radius of cylinder and h is the height of cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder. The difference between the curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cylinder is, in curved surface area we use only outer area of this cylinder, not include the upper circle and lower circle in curved surface area. So the formula of curved surface area of cylinder is 2 into pi into r into h, 2 pi r h. But in the total surface area we use these two circles also, upper circle and lower circle. So total surface area is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, which is 2 pi RH plus two circles, area of two circle. So area of circle is pi r square, and we use upper circle and lower circle, so 2 into pi r square. So we add these two area circles, 2 into pi r square. Now taking common 2 pi r, and what is left? H plus here r. So this is the total surface area. So this is the total surface area, 2 pi r h plus r. So let's do the first sum of this exercise. What is given? The curved surface area of cylinder whose height is 14 centimeter. Height given is 14. Height of cylinder is 14 centimeter, and its curved surface area is given 88 centimeter square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 88 centimeter square. So we use formula of curved surface area, that is equal to 2 into pi into r into h. The value of curved surface area is 88 centimeter square is equal to 2. We use the value of pi is 22 upon 7. R and value of h is 14. So in this question we have to find the diameter of this cylinder. Diameter of this cylinder. The height of this cylinder is 14. Curved surface area is 88 centimeter. From these two given values we calculate the radius of cylinder. So after cutting, 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So 88 centimeter square is equal to 2 into 22 is equal to 44. 44 into 2 is equal to 88. 88 and r. So we take this 88 into division of this value. So r is equal to 88 upon 88, 1 centimeter. So from this value, from this formula we found the value of r, which is 1 centimeter. So this, from this point to this, the value is 1 centimeter. But we have to find the radius, which is double the radius. So we have to find the diameter of this cylinder, which is equal to double of radius. Diameter is equal to double of radius. So 2 into radius is 1. So diameter is equal to 2 centimeters.